Morning boys, it's summer, as you've all noticed. The sun is out, everyone wants their gutters done, everyone wants their conservatories done. But a bit of a hot topic is whether or not you can clean in the rain, boys. So I thought I'd talk about that because we see it all the time in the window cleaning groups, in the forums, everywhere. People are like, oh, you know, I don't work in the rain. If you're earning enough, you shouldn't have to work in the rain and all this shit, right? And realistically, boys, no matter how much you're fucking earning, we've all got a schedule to keep to at the end of the day, right? And for me personally, I like order. If stuff starts falling out of order, it stresses me the fuck out. Even if the customer cares or not, whether the customer notices or not, makes no difference. If I've set Monday as the day I want to do my work, I want it done on the fucking Monday, whether it's raining or not. Now there are some circumstances where you literally cannot work in some weather. Do you know what I mean? Don't get me wrong, there's some weathers that you literally cannot work in, because the minute you fucking leave, it's going to be shit all over the windows again, and you've wasted your time and you charge a customer for a shit job, right? But simply put, yeah, you can work in the rain, right? And the reason I'm talking about this, and the reason I've mentioned that it's summer and everything else, is because people become a bit more aware of it in the summer, I've found. Like when it's sunny 90% of the time and then it rains, people are like, oh, you're working in the rain, you must be, and they make stupid fucking comments, right? But the long and short of it is, boys, in this country, if we didn't work in the rain, none of us would be able to pay the fucking bills, do you know what I mean? And there are boys, honestly, that just do not work in the rain. I kind of get it, but at the same time I don't. Like, yeah, it's shit working in the rain, do you know what I mean? It is really shit. Like, you get soaked, you're wet through, it's fucking freezing, you're knackered by the time you get home because you've been freezing all day, and your body's been like fucking shivering and shit, trying to keep warm. But in terms of how it impacts the actual job and the results of the job, makes no fucking odds, boys. You really don't. Like, at the end of the day, you're effectively cleaning the windows with rain. Like, the water in your system, I mean, yeah, technically speaking, it isn't rain, it's purified water, it's a little bit purer, and all the above, but you know, for layman's terms, people who don't clean windows, people who don't know any better, it pretty much is the same fucking thing, do you know what I mean? Main difference is you can drink rainwater. It's not recommended to drink this stuff, like, because it's without the minerals and everything else. But yeah, I just say to them, what do you think I'm cleaning your windows with? Fucking water. That's what's falling out of the sky, water. The only time it's difficult to work in when it's wet out is when you're traditional. And the reason for that is when you're detailing on the edges and stuff, you can leave little bits of soap and not really realise it because it's wet, and sometimes if it's just a little bit of soap, you can't always notice that there's soap in that little bit of water that you've wiped off, which can leave streaks. And not only that, if your clothes are fucking sodden wet right the way through, they're not going to be as effective, so you're going to need a lot more of them, do you get me? And you can easily burn through a couple of cloths in just one job versus getting a couple done with one cloth when it's dry. So it is a lot harder, but yeah, boys, it is doable as long as you've got the supplies, or if you're just water fed poor, it's even better. But yeah, when it pisses down, because it's gonna, when it pisses down, just fucking get out there, boys. At the end of the day, it's better than falling behind and being stressed because you've got to catch up and everything fucking else. I've been doing it for years. I don't take days off in the rain unless it's absolutely diabolical and windy. That's the key one. If it's windy as well, like really windy, then you've got a problem, do you know what I mean? But yeah, outside of that, just fucking crack on, boys. Stay on your schedule. Make your customers aware you've got a schedule, and that's how you fit everyone in, is by doing certain jobs on certain days. And 9 out of 10 times they will be understanding. I've actually had customers thanking me for coming out in the rain in the past. I know that sounds fucking mental, but I had a customer once. She said, oh, thank you for coming out in the rain. I was like, what? The first person who's never actually fucking whinged about it. Like, But yeah, crack on, boys. Hope the video was helpful as usual. I'm in work, so I'm going to crack on, and I'll catch you in the next one, boys.